Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Life with Lo. So today's video is going to be all about how I do my retwist on my locks, guys, and I'll definitely be featuring what products I use on my locks, and at the end I'm going to show you how I'm going to do a basic style. It's going to be a high bun, so you guys should stay tuned for that. And first of all, guys, I just want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to me and has commented on my videos and let me know how much you guys like the videos and what you thought about them. I am so grateful for you guys, and I want to apologize for taking this long to post another video. So let me tell you what happened. Honestly, during the whole COVID quarantine, guys, I took it upon myself to move. I wanted to move out, so I moved into my own apartment. I moved my business into my apartment, and I opened business back up again so I could see my clients, and that was a really stressful period. So I kind of got overwhelmed with all that, and I wasn't able to record this video. On top of that, I actually previously recorded the video in the other apartment, and I edited it and everything like that, but I hadn't gotten around to finish editing and posting the video. I missed the move and everything like that, so I lost my phone a couple weeks ago, and all that content was gone, and I was finally ready to post. So that's what I get. Definitely a learning lesson. I didn't back up the video or nothing, so all that content was gone and I had to start all over. But here I am. Here's the video, and I really hope you guys like the video. I hope it's better than the last one I recorded. The last one was pretty good, but just stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I do this retwist. Plus, guys, this retwist, we will not be using clips. I like to do my retwist very fast, simple, and easy, so stay tuned for that. And I really hope you guys like it. Okay, so let's get right into the products that I'm going to be using today. Alright guys, so first things first is the products I'll be using. So just so you all know, I'll be working with freshly cleaned hair. I just washed my hair. I wash my hair about every 4 weeks. I'm on a 4-week schedule. Everybody's different. I say honestly, you shouldn't go longer than like 6 weeks without washing your hair. You just want to make sure you're replenishing moisture back into your hair. You're cleaning your locks out so you're not walking around with too much dirt and build up. Because even if you don't use any products, your scalp still has built up. Like your scalp will sweat, secrete oils from your scalp and things like that. So it'll still build up in your locks. You still need to wash it. So I would say every 4 or 6 weeks or whatever schedule you're on. I'm on a 4-week schedule. So now it's time for me to do my retwist. My hair is dry, so the first step I'll be taking today is wetting my hair with my 360 mist spray bottle. I got this from Sally's, but honestly you could get it off of Amazon, order it online. I really like this kind of a spray bottle because it sprays so far for so long. So yeah, I like this spray bottle. And then guys, next, before I start retwisting, I'm gonna just moisturize my hair with, this is a product that I make. I also sell this to my clients, and it will be available for sale for you guys online on the online platform pretty soon, so you could definitely follow me on my Instagram accounts that will be in the description, so you can see when this will be available. But this rose water mist is a great leave-in conditioner. So this will help your hair to not only be moisturized so it's not dry all the time, it'll help your hair to smell good, and it smells really good. It has an additional fragrance in there on top of the rose water fragrance, so it smells really good, and that's what a lot of my clients like about it. But it also has oils in it, so it'll help your hair to be not so brittle and prevent it from breaking off. So this is definitely important. And then after that, we'll be using our growth elixir. So this is a rose oil. It has lots of ingredients, but some of the best ones are the Jamaican black castor oil, the rose oil, and the aloe vera oil. This will be applied on your scalp all over. Of course, you're going to massage it in, and this seals your moisture in. It prevents dandruff. It stimulates the growth of your hair, and a lot of my clients do mention that it helps their hair grow thicker, like stronger and thicker. So I definitely think that's a great benefit. Of course, you can use it on your edges if you want your edges to grow in strong and healthy. This is a great product to use. Now, as far as retwisting the hair, this product is called My Gel by Joey Naturals. I get this online, but I know it is available at some of the local hair stores here in Richmond. I'm not sure if it's available where else it's available, but you could definitely look into it. Ask your local hair supply store if it's there, but you can order it online on Amazon, and it's called Joey Naturals My Gel. Love this product because it's very lightweight. It doesn't build up in your hair. It doesn't leave any residue. It doesn't dry hard. It doesn't like have white flakes in your hair or any of that. Like, it washes out really easy in water. Honestly, everything that you would want in a Loc Retwist gel, this product has it. So I stand by this. I really like it. And so do my clients. They tell me all the time, like, the hold is really good. It holds for a long time, and a little goes a long way, so you don't have to use too much. And then, guys, of course, my edge control. The edge control I use, it's called Even New York. I just get this from my local beauty supply store, and I've been using it for a while. I like it. You know, it's pretty good. Like, I don't have really any complaints. It's just, it will turn your edges white if you leave the lid off of this for too long. So I don't know, it's just something that I like to use. But if you guys have any that you would recommend, obviously leave it in the comments. I would definitely appreciate it. And like I said, we won't be using any clips, guys. So at this point, let's get right into the retwist. Yeah, guys, so at this point, I'm just taking out one lock at a time. I've got my gel on my hand, and I'm just going to apply a little bit to the root of my hair, all that unlocked hair. And then I'm going to twist it in the direction my locks go. My locks, I twist to the right. And then if you saw, I took that free hair and I wrapped it around the lock. All that loose frizzy hair gets wrapped around the lock, around and around on top of each other. Like, just wrap it over itself. Keep wrapping it and wrapping it, and then do a quick tight palm roll to secure it, and then I finish it off with a little cinnamon twist before I'm ready to do this 2-strand twist here. So let's try that again so you guys can see it again. Like I said, just take all that frizzy hair that's at the root of your lock, at the new growth part of your lock. Just take all of that, and you're just going to wrap all of it around the lock itself. Don't forget to apply your My Joey gel to all of your locks so it can hold really well. And then you're going to take your free hair and wrap it around your lock. And then I like to palm roll into a little cinnabon twist. That's why they call it a cinna twist. Where it kind of coils at the root of your hair. And then I just 2-strand the 2 locks together. Just at the root. I don't twist it all the way down, just at the root so I can hold it. This is what allows me to not use clips. And you can do this on lots of different length hair. You just want to make sure if you're doing this method that your hair is pretty mature. So I would say locks over 1 year old, you can do this 2-strand method with, when you're just 2-stranding it at the top. But if it's less than a year and it's not completely matured, then you might want to use the clips because you're still building structure in your lock. It might not be able to hold in the 2-strand twist method. But yeah, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and show you a few more times, and then I'm going to whip to the front so you can see it from the front when I do my edges as well. this small section in the front that I'm going to do real quick, and I'll show you again when I get to the edges how I do the edges. Alright guys, so I am at the top and the front and I only have these 4 left. So I'm just going to show you again real quick. You guys can see the rest of the hair though. Just take my retwist gel, separate the lock, and I take the excess hair and I wrap it around the lock. Remove the free hair, that reduces the frizz. And then here in the front, just gonna take some of the edge control. And then we're just gonna twist them together to hold it. The last 2. Two options. I could sit under the dryer for 30 minutes and then take my twist down, or I could leave these 2-strand twists in overnight, which is what I do sometimes, and I take it out the next day so it kind of has some time to set. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go sit under the dryer for 30 minutes because I am about to style it. So I will see you guys when I get back so you can see the finished product. Y'all, so I am all done from under the dryer. I sat under there for 30 minutes and I went ahead and took out my touche and twist at the top. So I will just show you guys the finished product. Looks much better, right guys? So much better. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's a little crinkly at the top, but I know that's gonna go away when I wrap it with my scarf at night, my satin scarf. It'll all lay down in uniform. Actually, I'm about to put it up in a bun like I mentioned earlier. I'm about to style it into a high bun, so you guys won't even see the crinkles no more. They're gonna go away. But yeah, I'm very happy. Altogether, probably took me about an hour and a half. A little bit longer because I was recording, so I stopped a few times, but for the most part, it takes me about an hour and a half altogether to retwist it over the dryer and things like that. So, like I said, quick and easy, simple, very minimal. Alright guys, I'll be back to show you how I'm going to do the style. I am not going to do a tutorial of the style because I just know it's going to be kind of difficult, but I will make videos on how I style my hair pretty soon, so definitely subscribe guys. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was very helpful for you guys. I hope you got a lot of tips out of it and you're able to do it yourself. Definitely leave me your reviews in the comments and like this video, subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you for watching. I hope it was worth it, and I'll see you in the end with my style.